Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is about my Arrma Granite. Recently the motor burnt out. Was running the car on 2S Lipos. It only lasted about a week, didn't last very long on the standard motor. I was recommended one of these, an ETRONIX sport tuned modified motor by a friend. I'm going to get some connectors soldered on, going to get it fitted into the truck, and we'll see how we get on. Okay guys, so I've got the motor all mounted up, soldered some connectors on, they come included with it. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get this put back into the truck. It's a 3-stage process, very quick and easy. So we've got it all back into the car now. Everything is all in place. Just give it a quick test run. I'm using a 2S 5200 milliamp Lipo battery, 2-cell Lipo. Alright guys, so I've been running the car now for about 15 minutes. Let's see how we're getting on. Motor's quite hot, but it's not too hot to touch. Quite pleased with the performance. Just running the standard 14 tooth pinion on it at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Maybe in the future I'm going to go brushless. I'm not 100% sure yet. Due to the lockdown, you know, in the UK at the moment and around the world, it's pointless having anything too powerful because I'm restricted to running in my back garden at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how we go. See you soon.